Hey guys, I am unboxing some random thing that I will not be telling you what it is until I open it. So, let's see what it is. See what this box opens. The answer is, as you see, I unboxed it. Unboxing it. And the answer is a flash shirt. Yep, a flash shirt. Now I'll unbox the paper that's holding the flash shirt so you can see it more clearly.
There are a lot of entertainment providers claiming to have the best service, but when all of their ads are saying the same thing, what can you believe? Here's an idea. Don't believe any of it.
I'll show you in a second what it looks like. Not the back. Alright, I'll show you what it actually looks like. Here we go. That's terrible. I'll turn the light on. Okay. Now, this is a clear look. It says flash in case you don't know. Okay. So that was me unboxing Flash. The best character of all time. Hope you liked Flash. I also hope you liked the t-shirt and give me. Alright, so yeah. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to my channel, unsubscribe my channel, and remember to stay off drugs.